So here we have our first improper picture bet. So I want to give you guys a minute to go ahead and look at it and see if you can guess what picture bet this is. Hi, my name's Erica. I'm a table games instructor in Las Vegas, Nevada, and today we are going to be learning improper picture bets on roulette. So here we have our first improper picture bet. So I want to give you guys a minute to go ahead and look at it and see if you can guess what picture bet this is. We have a V pattern, or Mickey Mouse, which is going to be 51. What you're seeing here is two corners. They're all on one side, but if it was a regular picture bet, then it would look like this. Keep in mind that corner bets will only occupy corner positions, and split bets will only occupy split positions, or, between two numbers. So keep in mind when it comes to improper picture bets, this is something that you do not have to have memorized. It's more of like an exercise so that when you're out there in the real world and you're seeing these bets, sometimes when you don't see a picture bet, it might make you freak out a little bit. But if you just look a second time, you'll notice that, hey, there's actually a picture bet there. It's just kind of offset. Basically, it's just going to depend on what you see. So you guys, here we have another one. Let's see if you can guess this one. We have the V pattern again, or the Mickey Mouse, which is going to be 51. You can see how different it can look, but it's the exact same bet. Here we have example 3. So, can you guess this improper picture bet? This is the T pattern, which is 86. If you found today's video helpful, please check in the description below if you would like to buy us a coffee at buymeacoffee.com. Let's get back into it. Now we're on example 4. How many have you gotten right so far? What do you think this one is? This one is the X pattern. Here we have example 5. What do you see? Here we have another X pattern. Here we have our 6th example. What do you see? Did you get a full house? I would like to give a special thanks to CSN for allowing us to use their equipment to film this video. And if you guys are looking forward to the next class, you can see it right here. And I'll see you in the next one.